I need a break from these noisy toys.
You know what's the best thing about a toddler? Their goofy energy. You know what's not? They start skipping their afternoon naps. I wanted something that keeps my little genius engaged throughout the afternoon. And guess what I found? Flintoclass has got it covered. The Flintoclass activity kit is perfect for my son's curious little mind. Take a look at how engrossed my son is while playing with these educational yet fun-filled activities. My son loves it so much he wants to do everything by himself.
Very good. Yes, it's a lion. Stick here. You have to stick like this. Okay, you do it. You do it. Yes, Mama will help you. Let Mama help you. Please. Okay, then you stick over here. Stick over here. Very nice. Hashtag Mom Life.
In my experience, Flintoclass at Home fosters imagination and self-contentment in my toddler and has definitely given me a break from all the noisy toys.